so today we do my how I store my bags video. I asked you guys if you wanted to see how I store my bags in like the YouTube community tab, and like everybody said yes. So that's what we do today. Where do I start? I've got so much stuff to tell you. So first of all, I've noticed, and I probably think like many people noticed that as well. So many people, especially like all the handbag YouTubers, so many people just use like the regular white IKEA cabinets to store their bags, and my cabinet is from IKEA as well. However, I did like a little do-it-yourself project with this thing, which we get into. But I basically wanted to have something, you know, that expresses my style a little bit more, and I just love doing do-it-yourself things. So yeah, I'm gonna talk you through everything. But first of all, I just wanted to basically give you a quick look of how, you know, how it looks like. Don't mind my ring light, please. It's dark already outside, so I need to have like some more light in here to give you some good results. So yeah, this is cabinet number 1 basically, and then here we have cabinet number 2. So we get into this. First of all, let me tell you, I painted this. I put like padding on each and every individual shelf because I wanted my bags to sit on like a, you know, a soft material. And I also put lights in, so that looks quite nice. It always looks like I'm hugging the cabinet. I don't, it's just that I try to find the light switch. This is how it looks like. So the other one has one too. Let me quickly find that. Whoops, it's a bit difficult of course to show you guys this, but we get there. So yeah, these are my cabinets. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot now of everything and tell you more. So yeah guys, this is basically both cabinets, and let's start with this one here. So first of all, you know, I live in London. It is very dusty here. I definitely knew I wanted to have a cabinet that has doors that I can close. I think it's just helpful. If I was storing them in like an open cabinet, I think I would have to clean them like every single week, because the dust in a big city like London, I could imagine like New York, Los Angeles is the same, but it's bad. So yeah, let's start with this one. Let's open this and then I show you all the details. So I'm very OCD. Like, this is actually how I store my bags. I always make sure that they are in the perfect spot and that everything looks very symmetrical. I know it's you know, it's just my head. Let me open the doors entirely quickly. Okay, so this is it basically. This is how I store them, and I think it is very important that bags can breathe. You know, I've heard stories online that, you know, if you put bags in their dust bag and into basically their box, some people actually store them in their boxes, which is not great. And then they basically, you know, get the bags out again a couple months later and they have mold. Of course, it's dependent on in which climate you live and so on and so on. But for me, you know, I've made the decision long ago that I definitely want my bags to breathe. And they do. So yeah, this is it. If, like I said, if you haven't watched my entire handbag collection video, please go and watch it because I talk about all these bags in more detail. I think I've done individual reviews on every single bag as well. So yeah, this is the top shelf. And I just love to have like the Gucci in the middle. I feel like this is the jewel in my collection. And I mean, look at the eyes. You know, you can see it here in this beautiful light. How beautiful these Ruben eyes look like. The little bee has crystals as well. And yeah, it's just stunning. This is like the centerpiece, the masterpiece in my collection basically. And then we have my 2 beautiful Bvlgari bags right here. I had 2 more, which I've already sold again. And then we have my Louis Vuitton Vernis bags, and I'm also thinking of adding the Louis Vuitton Spring Street soon in the pink Vernis leather. I always wanted the black one. However, now seeing the pink one, I feel like it goes better with like my overall collection. So yeah, here we have a couple of Chanel bags on this shelf. And there we have my new little rainbow reissue. I absolutely love this one. I feel like the color combination is perfect. Then we have all all my Lady Diors basically here. And this stuff I just use, you know, it's against moth, you never know. And just, I want to be safe basically, you know, especially with like these fabric bags. And then, yeah, bottom shelf, we have all my Louis Vuitton canvas bags. So yeah, I mean, this is it. So I painted all of this, like the inside, the outside frame basically of the cabinet. We put lights in, which is fantastic. I absolutely love that. I think, you know, it gives the cabinet this dramatic effect. And I put padding on every single shelf. So, you know, it's really soft. It's really soft, and the bags sit on, you know, the soft material. So there can't be any scuffs or marks happening, I think. It's absolutely perfect. So this is this is cabinet number 1. And then let's go to cabinet number 2. There's a lot of space in here for future purchases. Oops, this is really loud. Whenever I open this, I really need to try and oil this door, I think. But yeah, so these are my 4 other bags. My beautiful vintage Chanel tote, my new Chanel CC Tote from this year's Chanel Mini collection. That bag was from last year's Chanel Mini collection. And then my golden dumpling. I absolutely love my Bottega pouch. I really want to get like the black chain pouch as well now. And my Fendi Peekaboo. So, you know, this is basically shelf number 2. And then I do have my jewelry here, and yeah, I'm currently wearing these earrings, so they are not there. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot more space here, and yeah, that's it. Oh, and by the way, I'm the biggest nerd ever. These are all very emotional, sentimental, nostalgic pieces that I absolutely love. I mean, look at this big fat Jigglypuff. I love it. The Totoro I got from Japan early on this year, and I just love all of them so much. Yeah, they live in my handbag cabinet too. Yeah, guys, so this is basically everything. This is how I like to store my bags. Please let me know in the comment section down below how you like to store your bags. I think it's always great to get some practical tips and tricks in terms of handbag storage. Like I said, I feel like bags have to breathe. It's of course dependent on in which climate you live, but you know, I do rotate all my bags, so I basically love that I could just like, you know, grab one and go, and that's it. I like to also like just look at them. I mean, look at them, you know, every time I walk into my dressing room, I'm just happy because I see all my babies. I mean, you know, you handbag lovers, you get it. So, you know, I love having them on display. I do wear all of my bags, I have to say. However, you know, there are some bags I might wear like once a year, once every 2 years. Let's say, for example, this beautiful Lady Dior and the Royal Python, in the Royal Python skin. You know, I barely ever wear that one out. So it basically lives here in this handbag cabinet, and that's it. However, you know, I'm a collector, I'm a curator. This is what I mean when I, you know, always say I like to curate my bags. I like to see a symbiosis, you know, forming when I look at all my bags, basically. This is, you know, what I mean. Yeah, guys, so that was it. I hope that you enjoyed my little handbag wardrobe tour. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, how I like to say. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I see you again soon. Bye!